If your PC monitor suddenly shows no signal, but your caps lock and numlock keys still respond when pressed, don't panic. This usually means your computer is still running, but the display isn't reaching your monitor. In this guide, you'll learn how to identify the most common causes of a no-signal issue and follow simple troubleshooting steps to get your display working again without needing advanced technical skills. First option, check monitor cable connection. Make sure your cable monitor inserted and connected properly. Second option, reset or default monitor display. Unplug the monitor's power cable and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Reconnect the monitor power cable and press power on to check if there's a display. Third option, press keyboard key combination. Press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B at the same time and see if your monitor shows a display. Fourth option, replace with a different kind of monitor cable. Why should you try a different monitor cable when there's no display? Trying a different monitor cable is one of the simplest and most effective troubleshooting steps because the cable itself may be faulty and compatibility issues. An older or low-quality cable may not properly support your display settings, such as higher resolutions or refresh rates. Before this video ends, don't forget to like and subscribe.